Now, there are actually several different ways in which you can rig or connect bones together. We're going to be looking at the first way in which we can attach IK control bones to singular bones that are part of the mesh. We're going to attach our ankle bone to our foot bone. As we know, the ankle bone is one of our IK bones. We're going to use the ankle bone as the single bone that is going to allow us to move that part of the body. And we're going to do this by making this ankle bone a parent of the foot bone. So basically this method is used when you want to attach your IK bone to a single bone in your mesh. So let's do this now. So we're going to press 3 on the number pad to go to our right orthodox view. We're going to zoom in so that we can see our foot bone and our ankle bone. Now we're going to have to make the ankle bone a parent of the foot bone. So to do that, we have our foot bone connected, and then we're going to shift click on our ankle bone. Now before you do this, I want you to make sure that you click down to where it says edit mode and you go to pose mode, because in pose mode this is where we literally create the different poses for our animations. So as you can see, we've now got a blue highlight. So now we know that we can connect these two, so make sure both are selected, make sure the ankle bone is the second to be selected. You're then going to press Control or Command and P, and now what's happened here? You've got set parent 2, but none that we really want. So what we actually want for now is we want to go back into edit mode, click, shift click, Control P again, and now we can create keep offset. So try not to get confused that you have different options between edit mode and pose mode. Pose mode is where you're going to actually make the most of this connection, so it's going to connect these two so that you can move your ankle bone and move your foot bone at the same time. However, you have to connect them in edit mode. So we're going to do that now. We're going to press Control P, and the option you want is not connected, because we don't want to directly connect them. We want to keep offset, so it keeps the values. So we click, and now what we do is, if we were to just select this bone and rotate, so press R, we can see nothing happens, although if you look closely you can see a dotted line is attached to the joint. This shows that we know it's connected, but it doesn't appear to be doing anything to our bone. If I right click to come out of that and go into pose mode, now if I do it, I'll press R, and we can see that as I move the ankle bone, the foot bone is also being moved. So to summarise, we connect our control bone to a singular bone by going into edit mode, making sure that the mesh bone is selected first and the control bone second, Control P, and then you'll get the option which says keep offset. Obviously I don't have that option anymore because it's already connected. There you go.